From t-shirts and sweatshirts to neon pop art, this is a style that stands apart. What better way to live with heart than using screen printing to make some art? Graphic images like the ones you see on clothes such as t-shirts and sweatshirts are made through a process known as screen printing. While screen printing dates back all the way to ancient China, it wasn't until the mid-1900s that it gained popularity in the West. We've all seen the multicolor prints by Andy Warhol. There's the one with Marilyn Monroe, and we can't forget the infamous Campbell's soup can. But did you know that those are actually screen prints? Warhol single-handedly revolutionized screen printing and made it something trendy. Ever wonder how screen printing is actually done? We got you. First, the design is created on a computer. It's easy to see why we're partial to this one, created for our art experience, 29Rooms. Once it's ready, the design is printed on a piece of film and taped to a piece of mesh called a silk screen. A light-sensitive solution is poured on the screen. When exposed to high UV light, this solution allows the image to be burned into the mesh. Afterwards, the screen is washed of the light-sensitive solution, and the areas not exposed to the light dissolve and wash away, leaving a negative stencil of the image on the mesh. Next comes the actual printing. The silk screen is taped down and placed into position on the automated printer plate. Sweatshirts are loaded onto a platform ready for printing. Ink is then poured into the plate, and a flood bar is used to push the ink through the mesh holes. The press operator uses a squeegee to move the ink around, making sure the entire image is even. As the operator moves the squeegee towards the rear of the screen, the silk screen pulls away from the sweatshirt. The design is almost complete. After the first round of ink is printed, the machine rotates and quickly dries the sweatshirts for about 30 seconds at 350 degrees. It's so hot that it actually glows red. Groovy. Now it's back to the press for more definition. Whether or not an image is just one color, multiple rounds of pressing are done to ensure a defined image. Once the printing is fully complete, the item goes into a large dryer to finish the process. With a smooth system, a screen printer can process about 400 shirts per hour. You can screen print anything: clothes, accessories, artwork, banners, paper. The possibilities are endless.